Hey you guys, my name is Eric and welcome to my channel. I had a customer reach out to me who was interested in getting into PC gaming, but wasn't sure where to begin. We talked about the games and programs he would be using, but the customer's only request was for an RTX 3060 Ti graphics card. We set a budget and got started right away. For the motherboard, I selected a Gigabyte B450 with Wi-Fi, a Ryzen 5 3600 for the CPU, two 8GB Kusuni DDR4 RAM sticks. If you're like, wait a minute, those RAM sticks aren't RGB, well, you have an eye for detail, and I'll let you know why later on in this video. For the memory, a 1TB Team Group M.2 NVMe. For the GPU, as I mentioned, a PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. Powering this build is a Thermaltake Smart 600 watt power supply. And it's all going into this DIY PC ARGB Q01 case. Now, if you ever build a PC, you know that the first boot can be nerve-wracking. The PC might take several times to reset itself. It could take some time to do a memory training, or in this case, not start at all because something went wrong. After several troubleshoot steps, I found out that the RAM was the issue. So I replaced them with two XPG 8GB RGB sticks. That solved the issue, and the PC started right up. I hope that you enjoyed this build, and if you're in the East Tennessee area and want me to help you build your next PC, send me a message. You can also find me on Facebook under eRock Systems. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe. And as always, enjoy the rest of your day.